What happened here? Doei doei! Well, after another nice night and a good night's sleep, good breakfast, we're off. We have to leave Baton Rouge. But we still have a nice ride to do, and Hetty gave us another ride, so we're gonna try that one out. So another day to go crazy! What happened here? Yeah, we were doing this ride that Hetty gave us, and it was beautiful. And then we wanted to stop to find a terrace, to have a drink and maybe some lunch. So we did find a nice place, Route 66. But when we stopped on the parking, we knew that Johan's bike was, well, it made a noise that we didn't trust. So on the parking, it was getting worse, and he made a video and he sent it to René, because René is the guy who is helping us out with our maintenance and repairs.
En nu zet je hem in versnelling.
And he said, get off that bike, stay where you are, I will come and get you. We will. Well, a bit over an hour later, René came and picked us up, and now we're doing, well, not the ride that Hetty gave us, so we're gonna shoot up to Maastricht, Valkenburg area, and then René will have a look at Johan's bike in the coming weeks. I don't know, well, as long as it's ready for the next lovely spring weather and a weekend away. So yeah, I am ending this ride solo on my birthday. But yeah, you know, no personal injuries here, no one got hurt. It will hurt in our wallets, most probably. But that's it. And even with the trailer, René is taking the scenic roads. Nice view! If you liked our video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And if you want to keep going crazy now, why don't you watch our video on our Itchy Boots challenge, taking you to one of our favorite views.